Hello, baby. I will be able to check a scene and I expose GH. The name is Ben Bruce. But you subscribe me to Mpa now on Sa Akabi. Ato renchem na ato Ghana ato Ghana na say ye kan niama se ne ye ka no ye nka sesebe oyaw abanti niama ni bi wa ye nka oman ya ye wemi amanyosem nti ye mpanifu owu minima sem nti amabeka sa amanyosem nti nipa citizens no ye wu in the name of politics play here crash ye and your first time who government officials are not about the state of our planes. Kufoba and yes, so Gary plane because who said the plane was not fit. Now actually, now or could the especially now or your politics, not all canon. Actually, you were John Mahama by who said, oh, you so Ghana when plane, which means that there is the genuine problem. And yes, Ebiana, you're all right, you're right, Kufado, no you so. Now when you know, obi obetina kunya so a media meka se da bia me hu na mebu mu ase ama no why your man yi je eku for the gentle giants wa kan se mini enkuti mra
by 2007 I think nyame kwa nka plane it me have Sahara desert so free Libya yako Sudan plane and nipa bad 12 to 15 and a plane plane a take off for Tripoli fast Gaddafi in Chrome if Ghana plane over family Accra they make call Gaddafi Chrome for or Libya men I can some years some few they call Sudan Khartoum me did my subject, my way me staff. Angel. That time you're playing, I feel playing my son, I'm Sahara Desert, so 23 Oslo. And why you think? And then I play ye. For best 30 minutes, 9 man who soon cost 3. What to an event formula and no other who said desert in the down of it. As I'm about to answer. I think you as a hostess no what play no so. One more cop a chiro na be the bags near the to kwai. One more trip by the atiano. One more pilot doesn't come be behind train. I feel quite a guy, I want to play no as to a done any. Some flyer, you will say, you have got your bad Mediterranean Sea no so. Sela Manoso Namopono is about 1 hour on Sunday. We all could see our Tripoli, capital of Libya. AC from no near who said fire tenders and security vehicles. Tarmac and also Yancy from no. You basically cut the speed Nam Airport. Tarmac and also. I want to have a pilot in Bacassa. Plane into me, man of us. And into a side down a backward Sudan, one called Padano, as I see Libya, Tripoli, capital of Libya. I just play see from security for any idea for more deep breaker. The chaplain who said the fire tenders in case they be a W most of you. You boy and the year free planning. Maybe be a sad. I don't know when I could be a mayor that Tripoli on my deathing. A deathing and signed a plane for be better. The name and profit across Sudan 3 hours away. Into my own visa. And now, from past also 2007,
yes.
November 14th. I know they are not 11. They quite from the sea, quite castle. And so made the convoy 6 vehicles outside the DNM Sare. Cars back when you have my 5 cents. Yahu no be deep. Ono ne ka feet from airport to a far big inside the my economy on your fan chain. Who feet no the bashe make a meeting. Make a meeting will lead them to a crossroad and I didn't control her. It's going to be that. Easy.
In the line of duty. Papa, I say, Unia Kuma, Mampenyin, John Dramani Mahama, the ministers in Yenua, or rely or more power, or more echo, and then Nipa National Security Coordinator, Nipa Bebre. I say, we are Mampenya, Sabreno, Sena, si Mao, na Mobena, Ebia Ubetu, na Etimama mining in Answa Kuma Tomuyam. Until your friend Mampenya. My battle, I don't know. Now, battle, Sabu, woman. I could eat maybe a man as some Sakoto. There's no be a gem. And until we are meaning now, Yako, because grown Macquay, Sabi, be a name for Yamma, and woman, Yapa money, almost me. Nti aye na atu ye nyina na mampanyin de mampanyin ntino so da busu afanyin oni no di ani anim ni aye nti mama ne yako acho bra beti na mama ya bi message be mama ne yako mama gana man nyina so yako so ne mama mranti a uma fimu oni mu yere no mu ni mama ne busu amani adofu nyina so yako asma to ende ato gana mani nyina ye nyina ya busu amani Mampany says a medicine or down one. I say, a bumpire, saying, I mean, on my way, my free mean, Babila. Now, and my catch the Mampany, my man, and us. And I'm into cherry. It is a Mampany in your money. Bumpire man. Papa,
I'm sorry, my father, my can.
You.
No
pay yes, you better was in a wretched sema with your mom mining.
Asama J. Kufoke, a year 2001, as some no can you. So, as far back as then, now we have issues with our aircrafts, maintenance, the way our total planes, and the way we even maintain it. But only me, can be sure. Put politics aside. Yebra John Muhammad ne ote akunya esui. Or the first gentleman of the land, whether you like it or not. And doesn't matter whether you voted for him or not. As long as Otiga na kunaso na sabe ono no ye commander in chief there. Masa, be protecting Yebra John Muhammad, we have to do it. And I don't care the cost. Because when we be a crony ya titini ya those times no ye ko war ye ma ohene no special unit of soldiers all the omo kwa naje adentia because ye ku ohene na ye wi oman no aden na in the name of politics ade ese ye kra no ye pese ye poso ha ni ye hwe another video na ye kire ba bi a plane kra fi ba ye wi a ye bekasa
plane ya omotena amu so no ye say low cost Chinese made low cost Chinese made aircraft. Yeah, the Omokobo Z9 no. No ye aircraft and said that enye aboarding China for na omoye. Na Ghana or countries or want to be no more 14 it will be as an winning boyful. Almost say and said that need modern technology ni bisa. Ye low cost. Na Ghana Air Force no. Ye J4, ye call ye top 4. Z9 no. Ye top 4. Aye. And na ye di free hop. Ye the mobile say Ghana gas and half Ghana oil industry no. And on the be protected. On say ya no more defense so no more share your territorial waters no. And until now more buy helicopter no more commission 23rd September 2015. And you could be no Bema camp say the 9 Aba. Na nipa 300 and they attended our ceremony no. Armed forces for Ghana gas for
Z9 no a Chinese plane. Aye, Chinese plane. What's your plane so there? Plane papa there. And you China phone and come here plane no. Plane like America, Germany, Russia. But Ghana, esan say sabe ye armed forces kra no budget omode ba no people want to know security people want to know eno ne ye ne ye mo ye kro hu ban yi ena ye ka say sabe ye kwakoto ade ene ye ka say oh plane we de ye to a enya papa it ye first can be count ye to better plane me assure say Ghanaians as we are gullible would have talked and would have said no but ene ye twa ejajo because ye manfo na awuo no ye mpanifo omane obi asabe ye di ne bakro asabe ohwe ne ma ohwe busia ene okoya wa mabiem muntara I don't care if you are NDC or MPP but this is a national issue. It's people like Okujeto and the rest who in the name of politics say things that they are not supposed to say. And then yes, we will call America blacklisted because of some of the comments of our foreign minister. It is high time they call him to order. The zealousness, the way all preset, you man the vice president, any be or it is high time. Who say so many year especially the presidency. I don't care what you think because the presidency only number one of the land. I expose you, members subscribe share. We 2 man now, so I can be manual.